to the emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Nashville Police Department. Several large fires are occurring inside Nashville. The cause of these fires are due to the 135-degree weather in the area. Several buildings are on fire because of this situation, and vehicles are exploding within the vicinity. All residents of Nashville are advised to evacuate immediately. Take plenty of cold water to stay hydrated. Evacuate in a calm and orderly manner. Grab all of the people in your home and grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, a battery powder with extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.